Hi everyone, Varnish Junkies here. Today we'll be unboxing the small hair, nails, and polymer clay Amazon haul. I got my gloves, my scissors, and my knife. That'll be all we need to unbox. See what we got. Here's a 60-piece 3D teddy bear and snake nail charms. Get small and large of each kind in gold and silver. These ones cost me $13.50. Next, we have a 52-piece 3D letter charms in gold and silver. This one costs me $9. Then we have a 60-piece in antique gold 3D skull, spider, and skeleton charms. This one cost me $8. And here we have a no-stick building gel in milky white. It comes with an insert that shows you how to do the application and a couple of their other products. And some dual forms. Let me open it so you can see it. Here we have Scopely Gloss Glaze and Scopely Bakeable Adhesive 2-piece. Both of these cost $8 a piece. Then we have a Dash Mini Toaster Oven. Let's open it and see what's inside. This one cost me $20. Comes with a little booklet here. Here's a table of contents and some recipes that comes with it. I got mine in the aqua color. They also come in pink, yellow, and red. This is how you open it. And this is the insertable baking tray. And this is how you turn it on and off. Let's see what this one is. Get that out of here. It's 32-ounce Eco Gel for all hair types. Olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. This one smells amazing, and it is the only gel that I will use. Here we have a Polymer Clay Kit, 2,751-piece kit. This is some earring pieces it comes with. And here's some of the little cutter tools and accessories. Even has a little spongy. An acrylic board. And a clay roller. And here's some clay cutters. Comes in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large for each piece. And here's the clay press. And get this out of here. This is the handle and the table clamp. Let's get it unwrapped. That's how you use the handle there. This is how you change the size of how big or small you want your clay to come out. Let's see what's in this big box. The clay roller was $40. Let's see what's in this big box here. I always lift the top so it doesn't cut anything that's in it. Here we have a 3-piece of wrap and set mousse. This is the only wrap and set mousse I'll use. It's ORS olive oil, and this one was $19. Here we have the comb clip and gel holder set. This one cost me $10. Comes with 5 pink alligator clips, a rat tail cone, an edge brushing cone, and an extra little brush. And the snap-on bracelet that is magnetic for holding hair clips and is also great for holding your hair gel. This 100-piece alligator clip set was $6. Then we have a 2-piece Murray's beeswax set. This was $8. Then we have a antique gold Viking bead set. It comes with 2 beaders, and this cost me $15. Here's what some of the beads look like. That's how big the hole is. Here's a little wolf one. A little spiral one. Here's some crown. A little fat one. Another crown. There's a leopard head. A skull. And some of the smaller pieces like the first ones I showed you. And here is some foil. You can use this either in your polymer clay, resin, or for nails. Has a 100-piece gold, 50-piece rose gold, and 50-piece silver. And that was only $6. Here are some self-seal laminating pouches. I think it's about 5 pouches in here for about $10. Here's some braiding hair I got. This is Expressions 58-inch pre-stretched braiding hair. It's a 3-piece. This cost me $15. It comes in the color 1B. It's pre-stretched, flame retardant, and hot water set. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.